10 Millionaire Money Habits. You need to know. Ever wonder how millionaires stay wealthy? It's not just luck. They follow smart money habits that help them grow and protect their fortunes. Here are 10 millionaire money habits to adopt. Live below your means. Millionaires avoid flashy lifestyles and keep their spending in check, even when they can afford more. Invest early and consistently. They invest in stocks, real estate, or businesses, allowing their money to grow over time. Save before you spend. Millionaires make saving a priority, ensuring a portion of their income always goes into savings or investments. Avoid debt. They stay clear of unnecessary debt and use credit wisely, often paying off balances in full. Diversify investments. By spreading money across different investments, they minimize risk and increase potential returns. Budget carefully. They track their income and expenses, knowing exactly where their money is going. Keep an emergency fund. A cushion of savings for unexpected expenses is a non-negotiable part of their financial plan. Always keep learning. Millionaires constantly educate themselves about money, staying on top of new trends and strategies. Surround themselves with experts. They work with financial advisors, accountants, and mentors to guide their decisions. Focus on long-term goals. Patience is key. Millionaires prioritize future wealth over short-term pleasures. Adopt these habits and watch your financial future flourish.